Zobi Wear channel, where you are taught various crafts, DIYs, and how to crochet. If you're interested in seeing more content like this, make sure to subscribe. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do the single crochet, one of the basic stitches in crochet. Of course, we'll start with our chains. Remember to always count our chains, and I taught you guys how to do a chain in our previous video. Now we're going to skip the first chain from the hook and go into that second stitch there, or chain. Then we're going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops that are left on the hook. So once again, through that chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops on our hook. Through the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops on our hook. Through the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops on our hook. And that's how easy it is to do a single crochet. I continued, and I'm going to show you guys how to turn. So when we reach the end, we're going to chain 1. Make sure to always count our single crochets. And now we're going to chain 1, and we're going to turn our work and go into that first chain, where yes, right there. And we're going to go right into that, just so you can see. We're going to go into that first. Yep, a struggle. Right. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops on our hook. Through that stitch, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops on our hook. Now we're coming up to our last stitch soon. So we're going to go into that last stitch. Struggle. Yep, this is what happens when, your tension is too tight. Okay. And there we have it. So thank you guys so much for watching how to do our single crochet. Do remember that we can always pause, rewind, and watch again. Alright, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.